Dear elders and respected scholars and beloved brothers, when people speak of power, they remember kings. When people speak of wealth, they remember businessmen. But when people speak of hearts that transformed for Allah and His beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they remember awliya Allah. Dear audience, Hazrat Tayyib Shah rahmatullahi alayhi was among those blessed servants whose entire life became a message of Ishq Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He did not call people toward himself. He called people toward Allah and His beloved Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He taught us that honor lies in following the Sunnah and loving our Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Through his guidance and his spiritual efforts, the message of Ahl Sunnah wal Jamaat spreaded countless hearts. The tradition of expressing the love for Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam through Jasn Julus Eid al-Miladun Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam further spread among the people. He inspired the Muslims to express their devotion for our beloved sallallahu alayhi wasallam respectfully and openly. Today, years after his apparent departure from this world, his teaching remained alive. His students remain active and his mission continues. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ وَالسَّلَامُ عَلَيْكُمْ وَرَحْمَةُ اللَّهِ وَبَرَكَاتُهُ.